Hello friends, welcome back, and in this video we are going to see how to download and install 𝐾𝐍𝐃 in just 5 minutes. So first go to Google Chrome and type 𝐾𝐍𝐃𝐑𝐎𝐈𝐃.com. Or click on the link given in the description. Click on download 𝐾𝐍𝐃++. Click on download. Here it will show you downloading. Starts in 3 to 1 second. It is just 6.7 MB software. Now just go to downloads. Click on showing folder. Right click on 𝐾𝐍𝐃++ and click on extract all. Let it be the default browser and extract. Now click on this setup, this application. Double click on it and run. Now click on next, 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 and click on install. Click on finish. Here you can see that our software is successfully installed. Click on start 𝐾𝐍𝐃++ and here you go.
तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो देन टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। टिल देन टेक केयर, दिस इज श्रेनिक जैन, पीस आउट।